Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. It is a balmy Monday afternoon and we have made our way over to Fiji. I'm so excited to be here. We have never traveled to Fiji before, so this is a totally new adventure for us. We are here for the next week staying at Danarau, which is just located off the coast of the main island of Fiji, and we have got a couple of day trips planned throughout the week, heading out to the Mamanuca Islands as well as Malamala Beach Club, but the rest of the time we're just going to spend exploring what this country has to offer. We thought that we'd bring you guys along so you can see a little bit of what we get up to. So without further ado, let's see Fiji. Just arrived at Malamala Beach Club, which was a 25-minute journey over on a boat from the port of Danarau. It is its own private little island and it's surrounded by reefs, so we are spending the day snorkeling on the supboards, just basically out in this really blue crystal clear water. We have our own private cabana for the day. We're just about to have some fresh coconuts for breakfast and then we're going to get out on the water. Day 3 here in Fiji and we are just about to leave to go on a bit of a cruise around the Mamanucas this morning. We are spending most of the day out on South Sea Island, snorkeling, some water sports, and then we're heading on a 3-hour cruise around the Mamanuca Islands, like Castaway and Bounty Island, which I think will be amazing. And what's even more exciting is that the weather has been overcast for the last couple of days and it was forecast to be particularly rainy and stormy today, and we have woken up to blue skies. It is amazing. So I am so excited to get out on the water. We are heading out to Port Danarau now, catching our boat in about an hour's time, and yeah, we'll spend the day out on the ocean. Come have a look. Okay, so we have just gotten back from visiting the Garden of the Sleeping Giant, which is actually this big mountain that when you look at it from a distance, it looks like a giant sleeping there with his mouth wide open. It's actually pretty cool. And then below that there's a whole garden full of orchids and just like jungle ferns and stuff, so you can walk the whole way through it, which was pretty cool. Getting into the garden cost about $17 or so each. It was $36 for the both of us today, but you can link it in with a tour that will do like the mud baths and the village visits and those sort of things all in one, I think for about $199. Today we didn't feel like getting into the mud. Apparently it helps rejuvenate your skin and leaves you feeling amazing, but we thought we would just stick to our pool at our hotel and be a little bit boring like that. But yeah, that's what we got up to. Definitely such an experience exploring Nadi and seeing all the different ways that they sort of live, especially when you go into the authentic Fijian villages. It's just something completely different. But yeah, we really enjoyed our morning. Hey guys, so it is day 6 here in Fiji, and this morning we have woken up to get ready to go out to Tivua Island. Tivua Island is just a really small private island, not inhabited, no one lives there, but plenty of day tours go out there just to see the clear water, just to snorkel, spend a bit of time on the beach. So our boat leaves at 11 o'clock from the marina, so we are just about to make our way down there now. We are going to spend the whole day out there actually, so they provide like a bit of a carver ceremony when you get there. There's traditional Fijian activities, and they also provide morning tea, afternoon tea and a Fijian barbecue lunch, so it should be a pretty nice day all around. I'm really excited to get out there back in that blue water. Well, it is our last day here in Fiji, which we are both super sad about. It has been such an amazing trip, and we just don't really want to go home. It is a paradise here. We don't leave until about 8:40 this evening, so our transport doesn't arrive till 5:30. We have already checked out of the hotel, so we're kind of just having a bit of an adventure around the resorts this morning. We are going to duck in and play some mini golf, which is just down the road from our hotel, and then probably spend the rest of the day by the pool, spend one last day underneath the palm trees in the sunshine, check out some of the markets that are around. But then after that we will be on a plane home to Australia. I have loved this holiday and we are already planning to come back to Fiji very, very soon. But we hope that you guys have enjoyed coming along for the adventure with us, and don't forget to like and subscribe if you'd like to see more. We'll be back soon with the next adventure.